Well, hello there. I'm Kim Berry, editor of Food and Drink Business. Welcome to our weekly news roundup. After much popular demand and outcries at not being at the beach, we're back at the beach today. Yes, this week it's been announced that the $600 million deal between Lion Dairy and Drinks and the China Mengniu Dairy Company has fallen over. The two parties have walked away from the proposed acquisition after the Foreign Investment Review Board had not made a decision and it looked unlikely that they were going to. The process started in November last year and it followed about 10 days after China Mengniu had received FIRB approval and approval from Treasurer Josh Frydenberg for its $1.6 billion takeover of Bellamy's Organic. Josh Frydenberg said that he didn't think that this deal was in the national interest, and Lion has said that it's obviously disappointed to be walking away from the possibilities and that it will now be looking at alternative options for the business. It's hard not to see this in light of the current problematic relationship between Australia and China, coming off the back of abattoirs being banned from exporting to, 4 major abattoirs being banned from exporting to China, the increased tariffs on our barley exports, and last week's announcement of an investigation into alleged wine dumping. A little anecdote for you. This week at the National Press Club luncheon, China's second highest diplomat in Australia was speaking, and on the menu was Australian beef, Australian pearl barley and Australian wine. Strikes me as an incredibly Australian thing to do. In other news, Bubs Australia has announced that it's going to start manufacturing its goat's infant formula with its joint venture partner Being Mate in China. Part of that memorandum of understanding will also mean that Bubs has the opportunity to buy one of the facilities on the mainland. Aldi has announced that by the end of next year, all of its operations in Australia will be running off renewables. This comes after it has achieved a 40% reduction target from 2012 baselines and also entering 2 new power purchasing agreements in New South Wales and Victoria. Earnings season is still underway. Woolworths is releasing its results today. We have reports up on the site this week from Ingham's results and Tassal Salmon, as well as many others. So please head to the website foodanddrinkbusiness.com.au for all of those stories and all the breaking news for our sector. Shout out to Hydroflux for being our sponsor in August. And I'm Kim Berry, over and out.